Welcome. In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to add layers to your map using MAPOG, whether it's your own data, like vector files, CSVs, or Excel files, or GIS data available in MAPOG. We've got you covered. Navigate to story.mapog.com. At the top left corner, click Create New to start a new map. Give your map a title and a short description. Want to make it your own? Add your logo if you plan to share or embed your map later. On the left panel, click Add Upload Data. Here, you'll see multiple options to add data and create layers. Let's see how to upload vector file. Drag and drop your vector file into the Upload section. MAPOG supports popular formats like GML, KML, Shapefile, GeoJSON, and more. Click Upload and watch your data layer appear on the map. Let's see how to upload Excel CSV file. Open Upload Excel CSV Data. Then drag and drop your CSV or Excel file. Define the location field. Choose Latitude and Longitude or WKT, well-known text. Match the right columns. Set Latitude for the Latitude field and Longitude for the Longitude field, or select WKT if applicable. Click Publish, and you're done. Check your data on the map in just a few steps. Let's see how to use existing file. Reuse any layer you've created or uploaded before by selecting it from the list. Let's see how to add GIS data on the map. Access GIS data directly from MAPOG's library. Find what you need to enhance your map. Just click on Add on Map and start working with the data. That's it. Adding layers in MAPOG is simple and quick. Now you're ready to create amazing maps. If you have any questions or need personalized support, email us at support@mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for joining. Happy mapping!